Alright, hello guys. So this will be week 5 of my preparation of the OSED and also known as the EXP 301 course by Offensive Security. I am currently at the DEP chapter and learning about the return-oriented programming. So that is the ROP. And DEP stands for Data Execution Prevention. So it is one of the mitigation measures implemented by Windows. And I am learning about the return-oriented programming that is designed to exploit a shellcode that will still work without the need for some memory address that are prevented from data execution. So DEP is a type of mitigation that prevents certain memory address from allowing opcodes to run. So ROP allows us to circumvent that by either allowing the opcodes to run in that address, or entirely not using those address at all. And then in ROP, I'm still learning this concept, so I might be wrong in some of the things that I say now, but what better way to learn than to teach, right? So ROP is a technique that allows some of the gadgets, also known as opcodes and instructions that does not require a call function, to be chained together for certain instruction sequence or executable. So that is what ROP is about, ROP. But anyway, so to find ROP gadgets, we have scripts to do that. We have RP++ executable to do that. So those will be covered in I will learn more about it. I'm midway through that. I have skipped for the curriculum. We have in between 6 and 7 right here, there is a chapter that is reverse engineering. I have mostly skipped a lot of that part because I can't really follow the reverse engineering of that fast track server, I believe. Fast track server or fastback server, something like that. I'll go back to it one day, but I've decided to go on and cover all this. So in today's video, that is my update, and maybe I could say more about what I've been doing. So other than this OSED course, I've been participating, like I said in the previous video, that I am working on the Jaga, the stack CTF, capture the flag. So that has been taking up a bit of my time, and now I am participating in this rather interesting thing called the Holiday Hack Challenge 2022 by SANS. So far I've gotten 3 flags for this interesting challenge, and I must say it is very fun. Even more fun than the Try Hack Me event of Cyber. So event of Cyber 2022. So yeah, this has been what I was working on this month. I will probably be spending time on all these little challenges and have less time for my course, but nonetheless I'll be working on them. So I'm also thinking of going through this. So OSED has let's go through the exam guide. We have the exam guide I was just concerned about once I finally finish the theoretical part of the course, what would I need to do for the practice. So apparently I have to do a penetration test report, and there is a template that is given right here, and I think it is very helpful because we can actually see it outlined. So what to expect in one of the assignment. Of course, we need to do a high-level summary of all the 3 assignments in the exam. So the first assignment, once we're done, we can structure it in this way with initial analysis. I think it'd be static or dynamic analysis or reverse engineering right here. Then application analysis will be talking about, oh wait, it is dynamic and static analysis right here. Yep. And vulnerability discovery will be probably talking about the Stack Overflow type or the SEH type. And looks like it also includes some mitigation bypass. Okay, then exploit creation, probably 800 will be right here. And then don't forget our screenshots. So this is really helpful. And a quick search on the Discord page led me to this page, which is right here. Very well done. So we have a notes template for the exam. And interestingly, we can see like a very bare bone outline of what we need to talk about, or maybe even the sequence of things that we need to talk about. I find is really helpful. So this is done by Apex Predator InfoSec. Thanks to him, I think this page, this GitHub page, helped a lot of people. And also there is one page by Norak. He did the OSCP template, improved one, and he also did that for the rest of the offset course, including OSED. So I find this really good. So high level summary, we can do a nice little table right here of assignment 1, 2, and 3, and then include screenshot, initial analysis. Very nicely done right here. It gives you a skeleton view of what the report will look like, which I find very helpful, and is exactly what I was looking for. I plan to use this template and all this structure for my practice. So as I go along with my practice, I'll be writing the report at the same time, so as to, be more effective in my practice for the exam. And yeah, looking forward to getting my hands on working finally on exploit development instead of just learning theory for now, which is also fun. I mean, fundamentals is important, but it's been getting to me lately, spending a lot of time and thinking, yeah, I might need a break. So this comes in handy. In fact, I can just let you take a look. So it's pretty fun. Look at this. So my character is right here. You can create. Oh, wow, this is loud. The music is pretty funny. So you start right here, and then this little game that you can play, and then once you complete challenges, it will be right here. Achievements. So I've completed 3 challenge. You can share them on Twitter. I find it's really interesting. It's somewhere in the middle. It's the difficulty is somewhere in the middle of Stack the Flag by GovTech and Try Hack Me Advent of Cyber. So I find it's much more fun and interesting and not as difficult, you know what I mean? So that's something to learn. and I should probably be going because it's 3:28 a.m. I just want to do a quick update for week 5, and let's see. Hopefully I don't get burnout. Yeah. So you might have noticed that I did not do a week 4 video. I kinda was doing the CTF for GovTech Stack the Flag, but I made a video for the how to is it possible to pass OSCP in 6 months, I think that's the title. So I made that video and I mentioned at the start a little bit of my week 4 progress. Maybe I'll cut that out and maybe do a short clip for my week 4 if you want to check it out. Yeah, but so this is it. Yeah. Anyway, I will probably be spending a lot of my December on all these games. It looks really fun. It's been ages since I last played games. So yeah. I hope to see you in this game. It looks like a multiplayer game. Alright. Yeah, I'll see you then. Yeah, let me know if you're in this game. This game covers quite a bit. Maybe I can show you. So, objectives. This game covers uh, a little bit of forensics, Wireshark, Windows Event Log. I'm not sure what is this, but a bit of forensics and a bit of web pen testing, some cloud pen testing. Pretty interesting. We get to see how Docker works and how how yes, I discovered this, how GitHub works. So it's pretty interesting. Web app. This I believe is a bit more like network pen testing. So yeah, escape from a container. I'm not too sure what the CD pipeline is yet. I've been trying to solve this, but to no avail. Oh, and very interesting, the smart contract pen testing, or maybe auditing. Don't know what you call it, but what do you call this? Blockchain and smart contract exploiting. Yeah, very interesting. Probably gonna be my first time diving into this topic altogether. So it's pretty cute little thing about finding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rings for Santa. Yeah, yeah. I mean, you can come in here and just take a look. Yeah. Alright, I'll go back to sleep and see you next time. Hope you find this helpful and goodbye.